there! Have you ever thought about turning that hobby of yours into a little cash? Picture this, you're spending your weekends painting or crafting, and suddenly you realize you could sell those masterpieces. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let me tell you, it's not just a dream. Tons of people have taken their passions and transformed them into profitable side hustles. Stick around, and I'll show you how you can do it too. So, let's dive in. The idea of turning hobbies into side hustles is super appealing, and honestly, it's more common than you might think. There are so many folks out there who've successfully monetized what they love doing. From baking to blogging, the possibilities are endless, and the benefits, oh boy, they're fantastic. Not only do you get to do something you enjoy, but you also make some extra cash on the side. Plus, it can lead to new opportunities, creative growth, and even a chance to connect with like-minded people. So, if you've ever thought about it, now's the time to make those dreams a reality. Alright, let's talk about some hobbies that can definitely be turned into moneymakers, along with inspiring success stories. 1. Photography. Sarah Johnson started taking photos at her friends' events and now runs J. Johnson Photography. Within 12 months, her brand value reached $50,000, earning her around $5,000 per month. Her unique style and dedication have built her a loyal client base. 2. Crafting. Mike Thompson turned his woodworking hobby into Thompson Custom Woodworks. In just 18 months, his brand value grew to $75,000, with monthly earnings of $7,500 by selling custom furniture on Etsy and Instagram. 3. Writing. Emily Davis launched Wanderlust Chronicles, a travel blog. Within 14 months, her brand value hit $60,000 and she earns about $6,000 monthly through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Her engaging stories and photos have built a dedicated readership. 4. Gaming. Jake Martinez started streaming on Twitch with Jake Plays Pro. In 16 months, his brand value reached $100,000, earning him approximately $10,000 per month through subscriptions, donations, and sponsorships. Regular streams and collaborations boosted his follower count significantly. 5. Baking. Linda Brown began baking cupcakes for family and friends, then launched Linda's Sweet Creations on Instagram. Within 16 months, her brand value was $40,000, with monthly earnings around $4,000 from custom cakes and pastries. 6. Gardening. Tom Harris created Tom's Urban Greens, selling potted plants and handmade planters online. In 12 months, his brand value grew to $55,000, earning him about $5,500 per month through social media sales and online marketing. These stories show that whether it's photography, crafting, writing, gaming, baking, or gardening, you can turn your hobby into a successful side hustle with dedication and the right strategies. Now that we've got some inspiring examples, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can turn your hobby into a side hustle. 1. Identify your niche. What do you love doing? What are you good at? Pinpointing your niche is the first step to building a strong brand. 2. Build your brand. Create social media profiles, set up a website, and showcase your work. Consistent branding helps attract your target audience. 3. Understand your target audience. Who will be interested in what you offer? Tailor your products or services to meet their needs and preferences. 4. Network. Connect with others in your field. Join online communities and attend local events to expand your reach and find potential clients. 5. Set realistic goals. Start small and gradually scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Persistence is key. 6. Monetize wisely. Explore different revenue streams, whether it's selling products, offering services, or creating content. Diversifying your income sources can enhance your earnings. So, let's wrap up what we've discussed. Remember, the journey of turning your hobby into a side hustle requires persistence, creativity, and dedication. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. Celebrate your small wins along the way, and don't be afraid to take risks. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, so keep your head up and keep pushing forward. Stay adaptable and open to change. The market can shift, and your interests might evolve, so be ready to pivot when necessary. Above all, have fun with it. If you're enjoying the process, the success will follow. In conclusion, let's recap the key takeaways. Turning your hobby into a side hustle is an exciting journey filled with potential. Identify your passion, build your brand, know your audience, and stay persistent. Reflect on what you truly enjoy, and don't be afraid to explore ways to monetize it. You never know, your side hustle could become something bigger than you ever imagined. So, take a moment to think about your own hobbies and how you might be able to turn them into a source of income. Alright, friends, it's your turn. I want to hear from you. What hobbies do you have that you'd love to turn into a side hustle? Drop your answers in the comments below, and let's chat. If you have any questions about getting started, don't hesitate to ask. Also, if you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on side hustles and entrepreneurship. And don't miss my next video, where we'll dive deeper into specific strategies for marketing your new venture. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you all create.